Free Profit Automation Webinar. How retirees can earn money online fast with Dr. Charles Edrims. Let me ask you a simple question. After all the years you've worked, building, providing, and giving your best, why does money still feel uncertain? If you're retired, or close to retirement, this might hit close to home. Because retirement was supposed to bring freedom. But instead, it can feel like stress. Bills don't stop. Emergencies don't wait. And income seems to disappear the moment your job ends. Meet Mr. Daniel. He's 60 years old, married, with 4 children, living in Abuja. A retired road construction professional with a master's degree. For decades, he worked hard. Long hours. Tough conditions. He helped build roads people still use today. But now, he struggles with unpredictable income. Savings shrink faster than planned. And he constantly worries about the future. This is not failure. It's a system problem. Because in today's world, the people who earn consistently don't work harder. They use systems. And that's exactly what the Profit Automation Masterclass by Dr. Charles Edrims teaches. This is not another online course full of hype or empty promises. It's a step-by-step masterclass built from real business experience, tested automation models, and practical strategies that actually work. Even if you have no tech skills, no prior experience, or feel overwhelmed by online business, this course meets you where you are. Everything is explained in simple, clear language. Every step is actionable. No guessing. No confusion. You'll learn how to build consistent income streams that work even when you're not working. Reduce dependence on daily labor. Scale your income intelligently using automation. Use ethical and sustainable methods for long-term results. This isn't about doing more. It's about doing what works. You might be thinking, will this really work for me? That's normal. Most people are skeptical because they've tried things before that didn't work. But this course is built on real-world success, with systems tested over time and proven to work. And here's the best part. Before you pay for anything, Dr. Charles Edrims is offering a free webinar. In this webinar, you'll discover how profit automation really works, why most people fail online, and how to avoid it. Simple systems beginners can start with today. How to earn income without stress or technical overwhelm. No cost, no risk, just real, practical knowledge. So here's your next step. Click the link in the video description below. Sign up for the free webinar by Dr. Charles Edrims. You've worked hard your entire life. Now it's time to work smart. Let systems work for you. Click the link and take that first step toward financial freedom and peace of mind today.